Hi, Isaac. Welcome to the Leanpub launch video for Northwind Elixir Traders. Learn Elixir and database modeling with Ecto and SQLite all in one project. The book is now 100% complete, so we're doing a launch video. And I was wondering if you could talk a little bit about yourself and about your book and what it's about and who it's for.
Yeah, thank you, Len. So this is the second video we make about this book, because the first one was almost 9 months ago. No, it was 6 months ago, when the book was estimated half finished, but not really. So the book is now almost 500 pages. It's a book about learning to create databases and model them in Elixir with Ecto and SQLite. But that was the original scope. Over the months, it evolved into being some kind of an Elixir gym where you enter with basic Elixir skills and you learn a lot of little things here and there. And that's why also I changed the subtitle. It's a book that is meant to be exploratory learning. It's not by the book in a way. So we approach the unhappy path very often. We do not hesitate to make mistakes, to follow our intuition when it goes wrong, even when it goes wrong, and to sometimes just YOLO it and see what happens and learn from it. It's a book that I wrote out of my own curiosity about this topic, and I thought at some point, since I am deriving benefits, why not give others what I could have used myself 2 years ago when I got into this topic and struggled to gain a practical understanding of how to do this task, to model databases.
Yeah, it's a really good book. It's really good for learning about databases, for example. I mean, there's some specific terms in the title and things like that. But if you want to learn about sort of the fundamental kind of layer that drives so much of our world that's been eaten by software, this book is great. And, Isaac started being very modest, saying about YOLOing and things like that. This book, you're YOLOing, but within it's the fifth time he wrote it when you're reading that YOLOing kind of passage. And you can hear us talk about it in our full Front Matter podcast interview that we just recorded, and that will come out around the same time as this video. So Isaac, the book is Northwind Elixir Traders, Learn Elixir and database modeling with Ecto and SQLite all in one project. Thank you very much for taking the time to do this short video with us today.
Thank you.